Myself AKSHITH. I got placed to Qspiders Punjagutta branch. Before joining the school, I was struggling with coding, a little bit of coding, as well as lack of job opportunities. And, after joining institute, my trainers helped me to learn all the skills like manual testing, automation testing, Selenium with code Java, testing from scratch, and continuous mock interviews, presentations, as well as grooming sessions helps me a lot to crack the job, and I thank these trainers for providing the wonderful opportunities and following up all the interviews which was scheduled and which I have attended. Then trainers helped me a lot in doing the mock interviews. Based on my performance, they have given me multiple opportunities to exhibit my skill. Then recently I got placed in